Hi, this is Kerensha Training Workshop, where we give you comprehensive video tutorials in soap making, detergents, hand sanitizers, fruit mixtures, local and exotic delicacies, and many more. Kindly subscribe to our channel below. In this video, we are going to introduce liquid soap production. We guarantee it will not be a waste of your time. Stay alert and enjoy your training. So these are the items I'm going to use for making my liquid soap. This is my booster rice, my glycerin. I also have my booster liquid here and my thickener liquid. This is my sulfonic acid. I also have 1 kilogram of base. I have my salt, and I have different types of perfumes here. I also have a color here, which I'm going to use this one. This is my choice. And I also have my citric acid, and then my preservative. So I'll need water. These are the items I'm going to use for making my liquid soap. So let's start with the process.